Let's be honest, brushing your teeth shouldn't feel like a chore. And if you're still using a manual toothbrush, you're missing out on cleaner teeth, healthier gums, and a brighter smile with half the effort. So today we're checking out the best electric toothbrushes of 2026, from smart AI-powered brushes to simple budget-friendly picks that actually work. We're starting with the Oral-B IO Series 10, easily one of the most advanced toothbrushes you can buy. It uses revolutionary micro-vibration bristles, powered by a magnetic drive system for deep yet gentle cleaning that feels like a professional polish every morning. The built-in visible pressure sensor glows red if you're brushing too hard and green when you're in the safe zone, keeping your gums protected. It offers 7 smart cleaning modes, including daily clean, gum care, whitening, and super sensitive. The smart charger base doubles as a digital display that tracks your brushing time in real time and gives live feedback. You also get 4 replacement brush heads and a charging travel case, so you're covered for months. It's premium, powerful, and designed for people who want that dentist clean feeling at home. Next is the Oral-B IO Series 9, which delivers most of the Series 10 performance at a slightly lower price. It features real-time 3D tracking via the Oral-B app, showing exactly where you've brushed and what you've missed. The pressure sensor helps prevent overbrushing, and the smart display guides you through brushing sessions with a timer and personalized feedback. With 7 cleaning modes and 3 replacement heads included, you'll easily keep your teeth polished and plaque-free. It's perfect if you want smart features but don't need the advanced dock of the Series 10. If you prefer a quieter, more traditional sonic brush, the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 is a great pick. It uses sonic technology to deliver up to 62,000 brush movements per minute, gently driving fluid between your teeth and along the gum line for a deeper clean. It includes a pressure sensor, smart timer, and quad pacer, which buzzes every 30 seconds to help you evenly clean all areas of your mouth. You can choose from 3 cleaning modes, clean, white, and gum care, and the 14-day battery life makes it perfect for travel. It also comes with a travel case and sleek black design, so it looks as good as it performs. If you're after a dependable mid-range option with dentist-approved precision, this is it. Now for a more affordable but surprisingly powerful option, the uasonic Black Series. This brush delivers up to 40,000 vibrations per minute and features 4 cleaning modes: clean, soft, whiten, and massage, along with a built-in smart timer that reminds you when to switch quadrants. It's ADA approved, which means it meets professional dental standards for plaque removal and gum protection. You get a wireless charging base, 8 brush heads, and a travel case, making it one of the best value bundles in the market. It's lightweight, minimalist, and delivers excellent whitening results over time, ideal if you want performance without the $300 price tag. And finally, for those who just want something simple and effective, the Oral-B Pro 1000 is still a top choice in 2026. It offers a cross-action brush head with angled bristles designed to reach deep between teeth, powered by a powerful oscillating, rotating motion that removes up to 300% more plaque than a manual brush. There's a built-in pressure sensor and 2-minute timer that ensures you brush long enough without going too hard. It's straightforward, affordable, and built to last. They're perfect for anyone upgrading from a manual toothbrush for the first time. All of these electric toothbrushes are linked below with their latest prices. If you want top-tier tech, go for the Oral-B IO Series 10. For a quieter, gentle clean, Philips Sonicare 5100 is fantastic. And if you want the best value, the uasonic Black Series gives you everything you need without breaking the bank. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, are you more of a morning brusher or a night owl?